Oh,
And then rose water.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tamaja,
And today we are
back with more Middle Eastern desserts.
Woo!
So this time, not only do we have baklava with us, we also have halva with us and
jaleb.
So we looked up how to say it in various different ways, and some said jalebi, others says yalebi.
It sure does. It says jalebi and.
So there's just a bunch of different
Zulabi.
ways to say it. We're not sure which one is like the correct term. I'm pretty sure there's probably a bunch of correct terms.
What?
But we're just.
They have different names. Some countries say it's different. So jalebi, zulabi, zalabi.
Yalabi. We're just gonna call it Yalabi for this video, I guess. Yalabi. So Yalabi over here. Yeah, I'm gonna point at the map. Yalabi over here. Though all those are different kinds of
Baklava!
right, and then these two are halvas. So I'm really excited for these because I love halvas very, very much. Like growing up, I would always eat that when I was a little girl. So I love it. It's one of my favorite desserts. So yeah, I think we should go ahead and do the prayer, then get into our thumbnail and dig into it. Yeah? Okay, you guys, we need to go wash your face. So we're back again. We're back again with another video.
Alright, let's get into this prayer. God is good, God is great. Last time for our food, by our head, we be fed 10 of her daily bread. Amen.
Amen. That's beautiful.
Thumbnail.
Okay, how are we gonna do our thumbnail? This will be a good one. You feel me? Should I put glasses on for this thumbnail?
I don't know, you can do whatever you want. I feel like we have to get low for this thumbnail.
Yeah, we will, because I'm not moving the camera again. Okay.
Let's do one more. Don't touch that one because I done bit into it. I want to take the chocolate. Chocolata.
Okay. Okay, guys. So we're gonna get started with which one do you want to get started with?
Look at my cup and I did something.
Do not let it fall, maybe.
I don't know. It's not gonna fall anyway. Alright. Which one should we? Ooh.
Okay, you guys, I had to adjust the camera because I felt like it was cutting off our heads. I'm not quite sure if it still is. I don't think so. Oh. I don't think it is. Yeah. I think it's fine now. I'm blind, so you know it's hard for me to see. But anyways, I think we should go ahead and get into this because it's literally calling my name. Which one do you want to start with?
I don't know.
Me neither, because like they're all freaking good, so I don't know. I think we should start with this one.
That one? Just kidding.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you guys, I don't know what we're gonna talk about today, other than like give you a bunch of facts about, you know, the food. Except for the baklava, because
We did not a lot, but
yeah,
you should go check it out if you haven't.
Yeah, if you haven't checked out our Middle Eastern desserts food part 1, where all we ate was the baklava, you should definitely check it out because we listed some interesting facts about it in that video. So I will link it down below for you to check it out.
Definitely should try baklava also.
I mean, very much so. It's very, very delicious.
It's super duper delicious.
So today we're probably just gonna give you some facts about the halva and the yalebi.
Yeah.
Ching.
Jalebi.
Mm.
Mm.
Oh.
It feels good.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Mm. Just imagine yourself being in Greece, laying on the beach, and eating this.
Beautiful. Mm. Good.
On point.
That was a really good one. That was perfect.
Didn't I tell you?
I don't trust that though. I'm scared. Okay, which one next?
I would give that one heck a 10.
Me too. They're so ooey gooey. Ooey gooey. Ooh. You wanna try one?
Yeah, baklava is the best. I love it. I know someone commented on my video that they love baklava.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I think I saw that comment too. I forgot who it was.
Actually, I'm gonna go search it up.
Which one piece you want?
Oh, it doesn't matter. I'll take the little one.
Oh, really? Oh, I thought you were going to take the big one. She always feels.
Red baklava video. We're ching. Ching. And 1, 2, 3.
I love that one. I think it's because of the pistachios in it. So you guys have
Oh, it was entertaining. Hold up. What?
I don't know if it's focusing.
I'm not sure. I can't stay blind.
Oh.
The person that said that was entertaining SMR plus. Yeah, she said that.
Shout out to you.
Shout out to the entertaining SMR plus. Baklava is the best.
Okay, so this is the one that we just got done eating. It has like pistachios in it.
I don't
think that's
know.
why I like it so much.
I liked it, but I didn't like it today.
Really?
Yeah, so like I would have gave it like a 9 or 9.5.
I love the pistachios. They just, I don't know, the hint of pistachio just gives it a little kick, you know?
Let's see. Should we do this one? Actually, no. Let's get into some of these, so we can tell some facts.
Okay.
It doesn't matter which one. Yeah, give me that one, because I kind of been into it in the thingy.
You guys see the shape of it? Like, okay, that one, this one, not so much, but this one looks like a pretzel.
A pretzel! I love
And it's
pretzels.
just a swirl.
But I like German pretzels. German pretzels. I remember now. You good?
Very, very, very sweet.
Okay, this name of it is Jalebi.
Jalebi.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you some facts about it. Alright. Right, hold on. Let me choose that down. Alright. So, like, Jalebi, this is like the places they're very popular over. It's in South Asia and the Middle East. And then extremely common is in Pakistan and India and in Bangladesh. How you say that? Bangladesh, yeah. Okay, and then like the consistency of jalebi is like a dough fried and dipped in syrup of honey and then rose water. That was shocking when I heard that. Rose water, yeah. Rose water is really good for you. So that was like, I was like, what? Okay, so the word jalebi is the divide from the Arabic words. I'm not sure how to say it, but I feel like it said salibia.
Who?
Right there. Zalibia.
Yes.
That's what I guess you said. But okay, my handwriting's not that good. I just don't know.
Oh, I'm not talking about your handwriting.
I just don't know how to say the word. Okay, this is a sweet. It's said to have. Whoa, I cannot read my own handwriting now.
It's bad.
Hold up.
You know it's bad when you can't even read your own handwriting.
Well, I can't read that. Hold on, I'm gonna tell you because I have it in here. I think I have it in here. Here, now let me tell you. So Jollibee is a derived from
Derived.
derived.
It's a derived.
Derived from the Arabic word. I'm not sure how you say it, but I feel like it's Zalabia. Solabia. This is sweet is said to have been brought to the medieval Indian as a part of the Muslim trade by the Persian-speaking invaders, much like a lot of other Indian food.
Okay. You not gonna eat yours?
I don't know. I think I like it more because you know you can eat it hot and cold. I think I like it more hot.
Really?
Yeah.
I like it more when I have
Because
coffee.
you remember when we tried it and it was fresh?
Oh yeah.
I think I like it like that more.
I prefer it when I have coffee, but it's good either way. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the halva.
Which you have written down.
Cause I really like this.
Yeah, I like it more when it's like fresh, just came out, you know. I like it more like that.
Here you go, that's your piece. Okay, so I cut a little piece off. I hope it's focusing. I can't tell, but I hope it is. So, what you?
I didn't tell him where it came from, right?
I think so.
Yeah, I think so too. I feel like I just got so nervous at the moment, so I lost all my words.
It's okay.
Oh, we love this. This is like the best. We have tried this a lot. We have ate it a lot too.
A lot. I mean, I ate it a whole freaking lot, like when I was little.
It's so good.
Ching. It's so sweet.
It's so good.
This is perfect with coffee.
I don't know, I don't really like coffee. I only like Starbucks coffee, so, you know.
Okay, so a few facts about this. It originated in Arabian. How would you say that in English?
Arabian? I don't know.
Well, it was invented by Arabics. That's what I'm trying to say.
I think that's the same, right?
What?
Arabic. English. No.
I'm talking about the country, because in Germany.
Yeah, Arabic.
The people.
Yeah, I don't know.
Anyways, so it was invented by the Arabic people. Even the dang,
it ain't working out for you. Dang, that's what I command to know. It was what I command to know.
Anyways,
I just started going slow motion.
So it was invented by the Arabic people. Even though the Indians tried to argue and say that it was originated in India, it was later on proven that it was invented by Arabic people. And so good. It's very, very popular in the Middle East, in South Asia, Central Asia, where else? I think Eastern Europe, I believe, North Africa. So in those places it's very, very popular. And there's actually 2 types. Why are you looking at me?
Because it's interesting. So, you know.
Okay, there's actually 2 types of this. Sorry, I keep eating and talking, but it's so good. Oh my goodness. Okay, so there's actually 2 types of halva, which I did not know. The one type of is flour based, which is that one is very popular in India. So it's made basically out of flour, which in India they call it. Hold on, I wrote it down. They call it semolina. That's what it says, semolina. I'm probably saying it wrong. Sorry, but so it's some kind of flour that they use in India, and then they also use clarified butter, which is also called ghee, and
I love ghee. Oh my god, ghee is so good.
And then also sugar, and that halva is some more gelatinous. See, it said gelatinous, so probably gelatin based. You know, like creamy, probably.
Ghee is so good. Ghee is made out of real butter.
I know. It's purified, clarified.
Yeah, Mama uses it, or I use it. I don't know.
Ghee is basically just clarified butter.
I don't know what I use it for.
But so that's the flour based halva. That's how they make it. And then the
excuse me.
I'm sorry. So good. And then the nut butter based halva, which is this one. That one is made out of tahini. It's made out of tahini, which is a sesame paste. And then
I read the same thing.
Then also they add nut, like any kind of nut butters. For instance, like sunflower seed butter. They add that one, and then they just add some sugar in it, and then nuts, basically. That one is more crumbly, as you can tell.
These nuts are what, pistachios?
A lot more crumbly.
Right, pistachios. Yes, I love pistachio. It's really good.
So this type of halva is the more popular one in the Arabic country.
I would eat more of it, but I can't because it's too sweet.
I love it so much. I eat it forever.
We have more sweet stuff to eat.
Oh yeah, you're right. I forgot. But I also just a second. Okay. I also read that in some halvas they add different ingredients like vegetables such as carrots.
I did read that too.
They add carrots to it. They add pumpkins, pumpkin seeds, even squash and yams.
I hate squash.
Yeah, I hate squash and I hate yams. I really. Isn't that the same thing? No. Isn't it?
What's yams? I don't remember what yams are. I know I heard
Actually, yams is made of, I think, sweet potato.
I think, yeah, it is. Yeah, I think, yeah. Yeah, I think so.
So I don't like either one. I wouldn't eat that kind of halva. There's also, which ones? They also, some of them add lentil and beans. So I probably would try those.
Shanice wouldn't try beans. Shanice hates beans.
So yeah, I didn't know that. But, you know, you live and you learn. It's so good. Very, very, very sweet. So you want to get into the other food?
Yeah. I was reading about the, jalebi.
You want to try this one?
Yes. I was reading about the jalebi.
So this one looks like this.
I feel like it's just that jalebi. It's just crazy that it's also made of rose water.
Yeah, that I did not know that. I had no idea.
That's crazy.
I was trying to smell if you can smell the rose water. I feel like you can a little bit, maybe.
Let me see.
I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe I'm just.
I don't know.
It has a sweet scent to it. Ching.
I love this one.
That one's really good.
Even though look at all this mess I made.
I need coffee so I can dip it.
You should have made you some coffee.
No, because I will be up all night.
Oh. I'm up all night anyway. So I wouldn't care. It's so good. Yeah, my happy dance is coming in. It's so good. Are you getting hiccups? Oh, okay. It's so good.
Okay. This one? I think after that one, I'm done.
I mean, we have that one, but yeah.
Cause this one we already ate. That was the first one we tried. We just had 2 of them, and then we tried that one as well. I didn't finish mine just then because it's really sweet. After the halva,
That's why
too
I
sweet.
so much halva.
Maybe I shouldn't have ate that much, but it's really good. What can I say?
Cause I know how halva is. Cause if you eat too much, it starts getting so sweet.
Okay, that's not gonna work. I tried to cut through the almond, but I don't think it's gonna work.
I think I have to burp. Excuse me.
Okay, here.
Thanks, girl.
You're welcome.
Oh, I love this one because it has chocolate in it. And I love chocolate. It smells like Nutella. Smell it. I haven't eaten Nutella in so long. It's so good.
So sweet.
Oh yeah, I hope you learned some stuff about the facts we have brought you and told you. Or if you want, you can search up more stuff about it. If you like want to read more about it, you can search more stuff up. This was so good.
It was so freaking sweet. Okay.
Are we still doing that one?
Do you want to?
Oh, I don't care.
I don't know, cause like I feel like I could not handle any more sweetness.
I feel like I got sugar shock now.
So you want to leave it at that?
I think so, yeah.
Okay. I think so, do you guys? That was a lot of sweetness. I think it's just the halva that did it, cause it's super duper sweet.
If I tell you, if y'all make a video of this, you need a lot of water. Cause it'll start getting sweeter and sweeter and sweeter.
Or coffee, cause coffee like knows bitter, so it'll like
Well,
balance
if
it
you
out.
get like dark coffee.
Or just coffee with no sugar.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's dark coffee.
I mean, if they put milk in it, it's not dark anymore.
I don't know. I don't really taste coffee just with milk, so you know. Like I've never tried dark coffee and then put milk in. What I mean.
But it's not dark anymore, cause milk's in it.
Okay.
Okay, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video, you guys. We hope you enjoyed the little facts we brought to you about the halva, which is one of my favorites, and then the jalebi or jalebi.
I think it's jalebi.
Jalebi.
I don't know. Look, it has different ass type jalebi.
Jalebi.
That has zalabi and then yeah.
That's Zalabia. That's Solbia.
Yeah. Those are other names for it. Zalabia.
So
and
the dessert with
Zulubia.
many names. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did.
Countries having different names for it, you know.
Oh, I'm so dirty.
Like country has like different names for it, so you know. Excuse me, ooh, that's not disgusting.
Yeah, that did. Cut that out.
It's just, you know.
Anyways, so we hope you enjoyed this video, you guys. You should definitely comment down below and give us some ideas for our next video. You know, mukbang challenges, different themed mukbangs, ASMR videos, just regular challenges, whatever you want, whatever you guys want to see, just comment down below. Give us your opinion on this video, you know, tell us what you like, what you didn't like, what we need to do better. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
Also, don't forget to ring that bell, because you know you want to have our notification on to know when we post.
No, you need to know when we're back on here.
When we're back with another video. You know what I mean?
So don't forget to subscribe to become part of our wonderful and loving doll family.
You want to be in a doll's family.
You really do, because, you know, we give love out. And
when you're in doll's family, you also know when Shanice comes back.
Facts.
Ooh, excuse me.
So yeah, I think that is it. And that is all. And we'll see you guys in our next video.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Ooh, love you guys.